So BOFA has a huge range of products which provide a huge range of solutions. We understand the needs of the additive manufacturing industry. Our extractors are currently in the hands of experts and OEMs to whom they're providing valuable solutions for a growing set of problems. The current range we have utilizes the known technology from our other proven products, such as the controlled airflow, patented filtration designs, and the BOFA standard extra long filter life. We are able to offer scalable and customized solutions. So since we've already discussed the different process types, I'd like to give you a little bit more insight into the product ranges which serve them. Firstly, the 3D PrintPRO range is designed specifically for the additive manufacturing market. Our patented deep pleat duo filters give extra long filter life against the particles produced, increasing your productivity. The activated carbon technology we produce is best in class for gas filtration, for absorbing the harmful and unpleasant odors, with large beds, as Josh has described, to provide longer uptime. Finally, we are using, where possible, our IQ technology, which accurately sets and maintains gas flow rates whilst delivering an unrivaled quantity of system information, both to the user and any interfacing machine. So this consistency in flow control provides invaluable for maintaining print quality, keeping the flow regime constant, even as your filter fills and the system pressures change. So the 3D PrintPRO 2 has the lowest flow rate of the range and offers cost effectiveness, a small footprint, and a long filter life. It is best used for open framed printers, as it comes with a specially designed stapler arm to hang over the printer frame and get close to the source of emissions. Going up a step, we have the 3D PrintPRO 3. This unit is the most common choice for filament-based printing, but can also be used for vat polymerization and other gas-releasing processes. The 3D PrintPRO 3 has speed control, which further extends the life of the filter, and you can add a return spigot for a closed-loop setup that helps keep the temperature of the print chamber steady. It comes with a number of options depending on the customer, and is applicable in the same environments as the 3D PrintPRO 2, but also some larger, more industrial targeted printers. 3D PrintPRO 4 is another step up. This unit offers the same features as the 3D PrintPRO 3, but is scaled for higher airflow speeds and filter life. This extractor is best used for the large chamber printers and high off-gassing processes. So now you are entering the world of high-end industrial machines, with complex prototype parts being created frequently, but also small-scale production printers. Again, this unit will work with most printer types and capture both types of emissions. Next is the Oracle, our best-in-class extractor. It is the choice for industrial-level additive manufacturing. The IQ operating system and smart airflow management give superior filter life and performance. As previously mentioned, the market-leading IQ control board adjusts the pump speed based on the system resistance. So this provides a stable flow regime regardless of filter saturation and other variants downstream. It can be fitted with a VOC gas sensor and integrated with the printing tool to optimize the process through use of analog control. Next up, we have the Fume CAB 1000 IQ. So this cabinet is equipped with the same filtration technology as the Oracle just mentioned, but it also adds an enclosure, so one can complete some post-processing of printed components safely in the cabinet, for example, cleaning and some light depowdering. This has proven to work well for photopolymer solutions, such as SLA and DLP. So finally, our newest addition, the AM range. Unlike the 3D PrintPRO range, the AM range of products is designed for the sealed environment of AM printers and to deal with dangerous powders, as mentioned before. As these processes often run in an inert atmosphere to prevent oxidation and pyrophoric events, this range is designed specifically not to leak out expensive inert gas or leak in harmful oxygen. It comes with the high performance BOFA filtration and IQ flow control, but also ergonomically handles the riskier filter change process associated with these industrial 3D printers, providing a completely sealed, removable housing which can be taken to a remote location for safe passivation of its contents. This extractor range is suited to a much more production-based, higher value printers. So I created a table to help summarize what I presented. Here you can easily see the process types, along with the fume types, and then finally the extraction solution that will work best. So your filament-based printers are best served by our 3D PrintPRO range. Photopolymerization and material jetting printers can take advantage of the 3D PrintPRO 3, 4, the Oracle, and the Fume CAB. And the industrial level processes such as SLS, SLM, binder jetting, and DED can be integrated with the new AM range, the Oracle in some circumstances, the Fume CAB, or a bespoke solution that meets your specification. So you can just get in touch with one of our fine salespersons or product managers if you think that there is an opportunity we can help with. So speaking of fine salespersons, Luke, can you talk us through a way of matching our extractors to printers?
Sure, Ross, thank you. One of the ways we want to support our distributors is to provide an easy way to integrate our extractors with any printer in the market. If a printer doesn't have a dedicated extraction point, we can help by creating a custom printable nozzle or spigot. The project is always ongoing, and we are building a database of custom connections. We want to make it as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download, print, attach. BOFA's 34 years of experience brings another strength to the table. We understand that processes and machines may need a unique approach. This is why we offer bespoke solutions. If your printing tool needs a special filter, more airflow, or a totally different approach, then we can do it. A bespoke BOFA extractor to meet your needs can be designed, built, and delivered quicker than you think. If you need a bespoke solution, please get in touch with me after the webinar and we can discuss the details. As mentioned earlier in the webinar, BOFA invests heavily into R&D, especially in the AM sector. I'd like to ask Ross to please tell us a little bit about what the future may bring.
Of course. So, as is the case in most industrial markets, automation and scalable production at low labor costs is a common topic within the AM sector. Both already have analog interfacing capabilities on nearly all of our extractors, allowing the host machine to turn on and off the system, receive multiple status alerts such as filter blockage and VOC breakthrough alarms. So this is a comfort to those users who don't have the ability to attend to their extractors until absolutely needed. Further to this, both have for some time been developing our new Industry 4.0 control systems for our extractors, IQ2, which has the ability to communicate to host systems in all field bus communications protocols. We plan to carry this technology back to the rest of the range, offering digital interfacing and total control solutions to a central location. The industry continues to investigate more complex and advanced materials, so this offers new challenges in terms of filtration, and we are at the forefront, gathering evidential data and proving our solutions are effective. Working with our parent company, Donaldson, we are running material decomposition and filtration efficiency testing on the latest high temperature materials to give you peace of mind that regardless of what you're printing, you're safe. The market also continues to push the boundaries of temperature to support these new exotic materials. This brings further challenges in terms of filtration, as it challenges the mechanical makeup of our machines. We are responding to this with a new range of extractors, specially designed to handle the heat and to continue to deliver the trusted BOFA performance. We're also looking at how to expand our portfolio and serve in other areas, providing better solutions for problems outside of the printing, for example, depowdering and heat treatments. We continue to focus on safety, not only in removing airborne hazards, but also the thermal and ergonomic issues relating to the filtration and handling of metal powders. All the while, BOFA continue to improve our internal quality, be competitive on price, and challenge ourselves to improve both our products and our services to the customers.